To the Muslim, I would say, Allah Akbar, there is but one God. To the Christian, I would say, I am that I am. To the Buddhist, I would say, I am as the lotus flower. To the Sufi, I would say, if you have not experienced the oneness, there is work left for you to do within yourself. And to the others, I would say, similar things in their language. So, who am I? I am. Well, there, that's done. I got out the dust buster and vacuumed up all the little stuff that's been tracked in the last 24 hours. When I was done, put it on the charger. When that was done, did some more chores. And then when that was done, did some more chores. When will it ever end, right? And when that was done, geez, an hour had gone. Well, I'd been out of touch with my creator for over an hour. No, I guess I hadn't.